Good afternoon. See, I mess up all the time, right? I'm trying to get Miss Lucy up and everything, and I mess up. Good afternoon, everybody. Mal Terry here, along with our fabulous co-star, Miss Lucy. Miss Lucy, how you doing, huh? Boop. We all know what those are, don't we? Yes, we do. Anyhow, I have a lot of news, exciting news. If you're thinking about getting not an RV, a van or anything, and you need help with solar, stick around. Help is on the way. But let's get to the important news first. Am I married? No. Do I want to talk about it? No. Things just didn't work out. It didn't feel right. So if something doesn't feel right, I'm not going to do it. And that's the boring part of the show. We have some funny news today. All right. So this is I need this. This is my handicap placard. So I went to the DMV over a month and a half ago, and I said, I needed my California Real ID and my placard. Expires June 30th. And they're like, no worries, ma'am. Your placard will be out. I promise you, this is a funny story. It'll be mailed June 1st. We do it the month. All right, so I wait, no placard. I call up. This wonderful woman explains to me that it got sent to my postcards from Terry mailbox. And, they're going to rush me out one real quick. And I explained to them, some of the challenges I had, when you call up on the phone, they're like, well, if you don't want to wait, handle this online. If you need your driver's license, do it online. If you had a DUI, handle it online. Just go online. Everything will be fine online. And I explained it to her that I have a reading comprehension problem, and she understood and she took care of everything. So after that, here comes the funny part. After that, I get a survey from the DMV. Was she friendly? Was she helpful? How many times did it take her to try this, right? So I complete the survey, singing her praises and everything. And then at the end, after I complete the survey, it pops up on I get a text from the DMV, you could have done this online, right? And it's like, oh my gosh, it's so funny. We look at all sorts of disabilities differently. And for me, it's like, I can read, I just can't comprehend what I read. And it's like, when you go online, and I swear lawyers have written this stuff, they just make everything so confusing. And we're talking about the DMV. That stuff is confusing anyhow. And they're like, why didn't you do it online? And it's like, whatever. Anyhow, I have some exciting news. All right. I thought this was exciting. It's in Las Vegas right now. It's called the Great Elephant Migration. And there is 25 sculptures, life-size, of elephants that's been traveling around the country. I just got whiff of this. And it's like, man, I was just in Las Vegas. I would love to see it. Well, if anybody's out there in LA, the elephants are going to migrate, 25 of them, to the Beverly Hills area. And that'll be July 1st to August 1st. So yay, that's wonderful. All right. Also, I have so much exciting news to tell you. I have totally revamped my fridge. I've done the battery system. I've done a couple of videos how to do your battery system. And also, I redid my my Alpacool ice chest. It's not an ice chest, it's a refrigerator. Basically, Bob had a video to where he just gets some expanded polystyrofoam, and it's like this thick, and you just slap it on the sides, and it's like, no. That takes up too much wheel estate. So I did a video on that, and that'll be coming out next week. It was so funny. Now, I've explained my problem before. Out here in Southern California, we have June gloom, which means gray skies can happen till 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun will come out for 2 or 3 hours, and that's it. So if you rely on solar power, you can't charge up your batteries. So I could not keep my batteries charged up. And, I just decided after a week of camping, I'm not a failure, but I failed. So I came home. I forgot my 200-watt solar panel, right? And so I was explaining this to my friend, how difficult it is to have enough battery power to keep the fridge going, but I want to keep a fridge going. And she's like, I sent you a link on air conditioners. Which one do you like? Which one should you get? And it's like, I don't have enough electricity for a refrigerator, and air conditioner is going to be like 5 times more power. But, oh, I got even excited in our news when it comes to keeping my batteries going. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. So why I don't have an air conditioner is June gloom. It's hard enough keeping the fridge going. All right, so I also read online that Idaho, especially like a place like Boise, they have new car camping laws. So if you're caught camping in your car, there's a $10 fine. And it's like, to me, that's just baloney because, like I say all the time, if it wasn't for Mr. Louis letting me stay here, I'd be homeless. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? Go to a campground and pay $40 a night? My COLA was only less than 3%. Hello, that's not going to happen. Talk about shrinkflation. The other thing that irritated me is I went to a restaurant yesterday. I decided to take myself out. Yesterday was my unwedding day. So, one of my friends, I guess it's from Alice in Wonderland, you have an unbirthday. Well, I had an unwedding day, and I decided I'm going to take myself out for breakfast. And, of course, what I normally, the chili killies went up from $14 to $16. But, I saw the waitress briefly. She put down a cup of water, said, I'll be back to take your order. She took my order. And, and then some guy served it. And then she comes back 30 minutes later with the check. And at the bottom of the receipt, now, first of all, I noticed on the receipt, she charged me $5 for a cup of coffee. I already coffeeed up at my house. I don't fall for that coffee trap, all right? So then I had to go track down the waitress and get her to take the $5 off the receipt. And at the bottom of the receipt, it automatically prints. It starts tipping at 18%, but the one on top is 35%. 35%. I don't think I'll be eating out anymore. That I find that insultive. I really do. It's like, all right, now on to the exciting Home on Wheels Alliance. So there's two big things that I was reading up on. The virtual caravan vans, they're not stopping. They're just basically changing where they were hanging out at. So just follow links to that. You can find them Home on Wheels Alliance on Facebook. I follow their Facebook group. But here's the exciting thing. Now, I have stealth solar on my van. I liked it flush, but I'm starting to think I might need more panels up there. Well, in the fall, Home on Wheels Alliance is thinking about, and there wasn't that many details. I guess this is just a tease from them. It's Bring Your Own Vehicle program. They will be installing solar systems for low-income nomads. So if you're like me, I'm not going to get up on top of a ladder and try to install solar myself. I have one fault. Last time I fell, I broke 4 ribs. Now then, what they don't say is whether they're paying for your solar to be installed or sometimes you have to bring it, sometimes they don't. But that is the exciting news. I think it's exciting. I plan to be in Florida at the time, but we'll see. I'll keep monitoring the situation and let you guys know. But yeah, somebody to help me out and install my solar on my vehicle, you betcha. All right, so that is the big news. That is the exciting news. I really am excited. I want to thank everybody for being with me on Wine Wednesday. The whole crew is there and we have such a party. So if you can't make it to my live stream, well, you're not really having any fun, are you? Well, no, if you're having more fun than my live stream, then do it. But we have a great time at the live stream. Yeah, Mr. Louis is there, Shelby's there, and of course, Lieutenant Lucy. Are you ever getting a promotion to Captain Lucy? I like being a lieutenant. No responsibility, except for naps. That's right. You like your naps, don't you, Miss Lucy? So we do have a lot of fun. I believe I had 14 people there, which is amazing. I'm so happy that you guys are showing up and supporting the channel. Also, I am doing the community page and community spotlights. Who keeps coming up in my community spotlight? I know it's 12 Gale. Digital Nomad. Haven't heard from you in a while. I hope everything's going wrong. I think I checked your channel and you haven't posted in 2 months. So hopefully everything's going okay with you. Yeah, when I read your comments, you scroll down a little bit and I can see who's who comments the most, and Yeah, that's pretty cool. Also, I am putting links. If I'm using if I'm using a product, I'm doing tags. That's new. And I decided I love that new butane griddle, and I found a space for it in my van. I can't wait to start putting out those videos. They will come out next week. I hope you enjoy them. And if you have any questions about you're doing your build out and you want to know what materials I'm using, just drop it in the comments below. All right, Miss Lucy, what do we say? We will see. We'll see you down the road. Bye, everybody. Say bye. Bye. See you Wine Wednesday. Yeah. Lucy, that's not your voice. Bye, everyone.